Okay, we are going to the next one. Moving on. The very last one. Good luck, everyone, and we are gonna be start our pagising na. Pagising na. There you go. Good luck, good luck. Mata na akong baby. Emily L. Padden. Number 10, the last one. Emily. I hear you, baby. Emily Padden. She's up early. I know, mommy's here. Oh, shit. Good morning. Good morning, my baby. Are you hungry? Emily, ay shoot. Tumba na ako kambuya talaga. Emily L. Padden, is she here? Alright, congrats to all of you guys. Kung wala pa muna kadawat pang Emily L. Padden, she's here, okay? That's all for tonight. And we are, kung kisa pa tong wala kabalo, we are kadabulan ta mag-inani mga kamamshi. Kung gusto mo appeal, always you guys be there, okay? And also congratulations to all of you 10 people na ginagmay publishing. Alright, so alright, and mag-message ra ko ninyo sa inyohang na messenger about your Gcash, through to Gcash, or you guys can send it to me, or I will send kanang magkuan. Kung wala pa muna kadawat o publishing drive nato, don't worry, okay? Don't give up, just keep going, just be there, because the blessing, it will not come in it's not gonna come nga mag kanang kuan ba, it's not in a rush. So mag-take time gyud. O congratulations to all of you, and Merry Christmas. Anyway, mag-post ko about sa atong pag-gazing, sa atong patag-an. Okay? Ang makatag-an, good luck. Na ay pang Noche-Buena. So, alright. So, I'm gonna do, cause mata na akong anak mga kamamshi. Mapay pag mata ako lang. Wala pa akong mga bata, ako mga kuan. So, mag-message ko sa inyong messenger after magpakaon sa akong anak, okay? So that way nagmata ninyo na namoy kup. But anyway, ako ang i-post na karon ang akong ipatag-an. So good luck. Kung kinsay makatag-an, good luck. Di ba nag-ingon ako, I told you, nag-mention ako about naa sa ako ang video sa akong page, ang akong patag-an. Okay? But good luck guys. We're gonna end up our live, and we'll see you guys next time again, to next month and next year. And everyone have a good Christmas and be safe and enjoy. Bye bye. Can you see bye bye? Can you see bye bye, my baby? Nah, solo flight ta karon. So, good luck everyone. Bye bye. And have a good night. Well, ayaw sa makatulog. Huwata akong post. Bye bye everyone. Bye bye everyone. But like I said, kada bulan tanay nani, okay? Kung kinsa tong ang always active sa tong account atong page, kung gusto mo. But don't worry to follow. Don't forget to follow my page, like and share, so that way, and always mag-comment mo sa baba para o makuan mo nako ba, makahibalo ko nga naamon kanunay nako, na kanunay nako namo kanunay din ha sa atong page. And also ayaw mo kawala ka, makadawat lagi mo, dili sa tanang panahon nga manajud, pero syempre di ba. And about the boxes, you know guys, kung kinsay kanang kuan, kahibalo na mo. So, everyone have a good night. Mag-post ko ug unsay akong ipatagan. Okay, good luck. And thank you for watching, and be there for my live and support my page. Thank you so much. From Mommy Turing, Merry Christmas, everyone. From me and my little girl. Bye-bye. Hello. Ang apoy na mama. Say bye-bye.